welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Naika. It is officially another try on haul with Shein. So this is my second package that I received from Shein. I was really happy with the first one and I said, you know what, let me just get a couple of more things, but it's different items. The first one was just tops. This one is outfits. So let's dive right into that. So I think I got like four to five outfits in here. I think it's like 4 or so. We'll see. Right, but I'm gonna try them on for you guys, and of course you guys let me know what you think. So let's get started. Okay, so let's get right into trying on these outfits, and we're not gonna waste any time. Okay, let's go. Okay guys, so this is outfit number 1. Now when I picked this outfit, guys, I thought about spring. I thought about, like, you know, the weather changing and everything like that. So I was like, oh, why not I get a couple of like cute spring type outfits and everything. So this was the first one I saw and I fell in love with. And it's like a really nice full skirt with a nice off the shoulder top. That's what I like about it. It is super cute, super fun. If I get a little close up, you guys can actually see, you know, like the rougeness of the top is off the shoulder and everything. And then you guys see how the skirt falls. You can say you can keep it up, you can move it down if you want. I mean, it's up to you. This is, oh my goodness, I absolutely love the way that this skirt looks. You can make it your own. Listen, you can still be cute and sexy and fun. Literally and fun. I look so innocent. Guys, don't say that I am innocent. But yes, this is what it looks like. You know, you don't have to always wear something body kind of fitted to still have that nice, classy look about you. Right. So this is outfit number 1, guys. All right, let me know what you think. Let me know what you think. Right, so this is outfit number 1. All right, let's get on to outfit number 2. All right, guys, so this is outfit number 2. Oh my God, interesting pattern. Interesting, I know. I actually have 2 outfits in this try on haul with this pattern, but this is a red one and I think the other one is like a black and white kind of concept outfit. So this is outfit number 2, right? So it has that, like, it's a crop top with, of course, with the skirt and everything like that, and it has like the skirt got that nice little peplum. It's like a peplum skirt, as they will call it, right? And it's very form-fitting. That's what I like about it. It doesn't look like, you know, it doesn't look crazy. I mean, honestly, listen, you make it look good. I even see myself putting on a cute little, like, you know, the little belts, the little chain belts, like, around it, just to give that nice little accent look, depending on the color necklace or jewelry that I'm putting on, right? So just to give you guys a little close-up of the pattern of this, right? The pattern of this. And like I said, it's a crop top. So you have fun with it. You have fun. You can, like I said, put it up as high as you want, or as low as you want, whatever you please. But just keep in mind, it's more body. It's more body. This one is more body count. This is more fitted, right? So, all right. So this is outfit number 2. So the next one is actually pretty similar, but it's more floral. So let's see. All right, guys, so this is, I know, this is outfit, oh my gosh, Shein. This is outfit number 3. So this is, like I said, it's like the first one is like a crop top with the skirt, but it's more of like a spring, summery, cute vibe. I love this, guys. I love it. I love the way that it looks. I love the way that it feels. You can adjust the straps the way that you want. This one, they have it like a knot. So I'm just leaving it as is and letting it like frill. But then, you know, on my own, I may fix it and may do something else. but I just love the way that this looks. I love the way that the skirt fits. I absolutely adore this outfit. Oh my gosh, OMG. You know, and like I said, so I absolutely love this outfit. I love it. I love it. So, and like I said, right here, you guys, I've done it before with my Shein, my first Shein video. This one, I'm gonna do it again. Like from the first video to now, you guys probably have seen that I've attached a photo of what it looked like on the website and how it looks like here on me, you know, so you guys can see that, you know, the site is legitimate, that the stuff is nice. I can't even fathom that these things are really nice. These things, oh my gosh, guys, this outfit, this outfit, I love it. I love it. I hope you guys like it too. Yes. Yes. Hope you guys liked it too. So now I'm going to try on the last and final outfit. All right, I'll be back. Okay, guys, so this is the last and final outfit. It's like, I feel like I'm kind of like, I don't even know how to describe it. But it's, like I told you guys, it's similar to the red one. But this one is like a pants and a top. So when I saw it, I liked it and I thought it was cute. I thought it would look cute on me. I do like the way that it look. Only thing I can say is this part of the area of the pants is a little loose. But you know, with just in time, everything is just, you know, like a little wash. Maybe it'll shrink a little bit. I'll be all right. You know, but yeah, this is outfit number 4. So you guys can see. It's actually really cute. I don't mind it. Here's a close-up of the pattern and how it looks on the close-up, but it doesn't, I think it looks nice. I like it. I will put on with these some cute either some cute white flats or some some cute little sneakers or something like that on my feet with this. But yeah, this is outfit number 4. Right, so guys, I hope you liked this try on haul. This is my second try on haul with Shein. I would definitely be getting some more stuff from there, so you can look out for more try on hauls from there. Between, you know, I do have like my area of stores and everything like that. You guys know I love JLux label, but Shein right now has some cute stuff that I can, you know, wear on a regular that I really like. Jigs is more of like my occasional, yes girl, get ready, get out, you know, look good kind of thing. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that way you guys know anytime your girl posts another video. Thank you guys so much for watching and tuning in. Bye.